Hello, and welcome to the first part of CompuTop's fourth digital literacy lesson on computer basics. In this lesson, we will go over how to use the taskbar and some of its most useful applications, and how to save and use files on both a computer and other memory devices. This lesson will be divided into 4 parts, so make sure to click on all 4 parts to learn about what your computer can do. Follow along to learn how to use your taskbar now. The very bottom part of your computer screen has what we call the taskbar. This taskbar has many different icons and purposes, and we'll go through them all. Let's start with the icons on the right. To the very right, you will see the time and date. Once you set up your computer, you will choose the time zone and date. If you need to change the time zone or date, you can do so in Settings, which we will go over in a moment. The next icon will represent the language your computer is typing in. If you need to type in a language that uses different characters than the English language, you can add that language here. The next icon is Speakers. This will let you change the volume of your computer's sound. If no sound is coming from your computer, check to see if the volume is at 0. The next icon is our Wi-Fi, but we will go over what Wi-Fi is and how to connect to it in a different lesson. The final icon we will discuss on the right is the battery icon. As we learned in the previous Computer Basics lesson, this tells us what computer percentage our laptop is at and if it needs to be charged. There are a few additional icons on the bottom, but these are the most important and useful icons to know when starting out. This concludes Part 1 of CompuTop's 4th lesson on Computer Basics. Click on Part 2 now to learn more about the taskbar and its functions. Thank you so much for watching,